Chemistry made simple.
The periodic table has 18 groups that can be split up into 3 different categories. Groups 1 and 2 are going to be metals on the left-hand side of the periodic table. In the middle, we have groups 3 through 12, which are transition metals. And on your right-hand side, from groups 14 to 18, you have non-metals. And in between your transition metals and your non-metals, you have a staircase called metalloids. Each group has a fixed charge, meaning we can assume the charge that they will form. Group 1 has a +1 charge, Group 2 has a +2 charge, Group 13 has a +3 charge, Group 15 has a -3 charge, 16 -2, and 17 -1. Group 18 doesn't form any charge because they are called the noble gases. They don't like to react. And groups 3 to 12 don't really have fixed charges, which is why they're not only called transition metals but also variable charge metals, meaning their charge varies. The type of ion that you will form is determined by where you are on the periodic table. Metals are always going to be your cations, so metals are always going to be positively charged. On the other hand, non-metals will always be negatively charged, so your anions. For example, let's say I had sodium chloride. Sodium is my metal, so it's going to be my cation, positively charged. And I can tell that since sodium is in group 1, it's going to have a +1 charge, and chlorine is going to be my anion, negatively charged. And since it's in group 17, it's a -1 charge.